Oh god. I have the same problem with pretty men that my me. Not that they seem like it's actually my heart. This is the thing, they what it is. It's called being gay.